Wait a minute. Have you been looking for a God-aligned community? A community that prays? A community that eats together? A community that is rooted in the Word? A community that laughs together? A community that celebrates everyone? A community that builds excellent women? A community that impacts. Search no more. Women on the threshing floor is that right community for you. Join us every second Saturday of the month for our monthly breakfast meeting. Jesus is waiting for you.